Right folks, just a short video to show you basically how to grind back all of the old loose rusty paint and metal. Sorry, Freelander 2 2009. It's not pretty, I mean, you don't care, just need to do a job. But as far as I can there, wheel notches are next, but we've got all under there done. I'm very lucky. Nothing on this side. Nothing as well. No rust. So I'm very lucky there. I used Hammerite Ultra. Is it Ultra or something? Ultima? I don't know. Less than 750ml, 2 coats. Just get yourself a grinder and wire brush over there. This side is the moist side, so we have a little hole there. We'll get that welded up whenever. Well, no, not whenever, quick it takes. That's when it starts to spread, isn't it? So, all the wheel arches in there, done. Wheel arches all thingy there, the seam. Just a little bit of, tiny bit of flaky breaky. But the rest of it, again, very lucky. All sound apart from that bit. Had the welder man come and look at it, and he says, "Oh, it's alright, you can still get that welded up for you, mate." Alright. So yeah, that's it. Again, all under there is good. Show you the rest of it all, I think. Really lucky I am. Again, yeah, under there. Yeah, nice and solid. Not even little tiny holes where it's starting to break up. Nothing. Thanks for watching. See you folks.